Hey everyone, this is part 2 of port security, which tackles sticky MAC addressing. So, a brief introduction of sticky MAC addressing. Sticky MAC addressing is a dynamic method used in Cisco port security that allows a switch to automatically learn and retain the MAC address of device connected to an interface. So, when port security with sticky learning is enabled, the switch monitors incoming frames and dynamically adds source MAC address to its secure MAC address table, as if we're manually configured. So that's how sticky MAC addressing works in port security. So here, there's an example here, which is we're going to follow step one. So in step one, enable port security on the switch ports connected to its host. Uh, so what we're going to do is go to the switch one. Configure on the interface of capacitor network two, then switch mode access. And lastly, we switch for security. Now, so we're going to enable this here to at switch 2. So, and one of the interface of Ethernet 02, the switch mode access, and switch for security. So, tapos na natin ang step 1. So, step 2, ping from PC1, PC2 to generate traffic between them. So we're going to ping the PC2 from PC1. Ping 192.168.1 and 12. So ping na natin. And we're also going to ping PC1 from PC2. Ping 192.168.1.11. So in step 3, use a show command to view the secure MAC address on switch 1. PC's MAC address should be in the table. So we're going to um, show security and or security address. Mhm. So yeah. So this is the MAC address of the PC1. So here we are at step 4. Check the configuration of switch 1 as Ethernet 02 interface in the running configuration. Take note of the configuration. So we're going to show Switch 1. Mhm. So, ito pa lang yung dalawang ah, configure natin dito sa switch 1. Save the running configuration on switch 1 and reload the switch. So, we're going to save the running configuration on switch 1 and reload the switch. So, on switch 1, we're going to switch 1, uh, save, and reload switch and go. Ayan, ganun na. So, tapos na tayo sa number 5. View the secure MAC address on switch 1 again. Is PC1 address still present? So, tignan natin kung present pa ba ang showing port security. Kung present pa yung MAC address ng PC1. So, dito, wala na yung MAC address ng PC1. So, in step 6, view the secure MAC addresses on switch 1 again. So, tapos na pala tayo dyan. Then, step 7 naman na tayo. Enable sticky secure MAC addresses on the Fast Ethernet 02 interface of switch 1 and ping from PC1 to PC2 generate traffic. So, i-enable daw natin ang sticky MAC address sa switch 1. So, must be uh, Ethernet plus Ethernet 02. Sinabing makalima. Uh, switch port, switch port, security, MAC address, GP. Ang command na to para ma-enable natin yung port security MAC address CG. So, yan. Enter. Uh, on step 8, view the secure MAC addresses on switch 1. Then view the configuration positive 02 in the running configuration. At least different. So, tignan muna natin yung show port security address. Ano ka lang natin. So, so yan, wala pa. Nakalimutan ko mag-ping. So, piping muna natin yung PC1 sa PC2 sa PC1. So, ping, ano ito pa? Wait, say, na-ping ko na. Then, ulit na lang natin to. Then, ito. So, ang panagkaiba dito kanina, ah, kanina wala siyang yung type ng MAC address, which is secure sticky. Yan yung pinagkaiba kanina. Then, view the configuration on configuration. So, next is we're going to view the configuration of 0 to configuration. So, SH port security. SH port only. Yan. SH lang pala. So, kanina, itong dalawa lang yung meron dito. So, ito yung nadagdag, which is the enable the MAC address sticky, then switch yung MAC address ng PC1. So, yun. So, number naman tayo. So, save the running configuration and reload the switch. Then, before you save the configuration, then reload natin yung switch. Reload the switch. Yes. Enable, honesty. So, view the secure MAC address on switch 1 again. So, is PC1 MAC address still present? So, tignan daw natin yung MAC address ng PC1 kung nandito pa. Search port security address. Search port security. So, yan, andito pa rin. Kahit nireload natin yung switch, hindi siya mawawala. Sabi ko nga kanina is when port secure with sticky learning is enabled, the switch monitors incoming frames and dynamically adds the source MAC address to its secure MAC address table as it were manually configured. So, ganun po ang ah, kung paano gumagana ang secure sticky MAC addressing. So, yun lang sa part 2 na to.